Gold has experienced one of its strongest sell-offs in recent weeks, dropping from above, this is okay, let's say above 5400 to 4200. Wow, that's a great move. But the question now is this a bullish recovery or a pullback for a bearish continuation? That's what we don't know. But in this video, I'm going to analyze it and tell us how the market will be like next week and what we'll be expecting or experiencing. So guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Here is your guy MaxCG Forex Insight. Here we are once again to do what you know how to do best. And if this is your first time coming across my video, I'll urge you to like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting more information about gold analysis. So kindly stay with me throughout this video so that you know how the market will be like, and you won't be left out in any way, so that you won't be left out in any way. You will know how the market will be like, and it won't bruise you, or you follow others and make the smart money. That's what we make here. So starting from the weekly time frame, gold remains in a long-term uptrend. You see it, long-term uptrend you get. So this is gold is still in a bullish structure overall, you get. So however, you've seen this sharp reaction from this highest height, and it came down to this, up to this extent now, and you can see several lower lows, several candles forming lower lows and lower highs, showing us bearish movement. So we don't know if the thing is continuing as that bearish movement or anything, but through this analysis we will know. But recently, what we're gonna do now is we mark our support and resistance level on this weekly time frame, which will guide us on how it will be like. Now gold succeeded in breaking several support levels. It broke this one, it broke this one, it broke here. Okay, here this is exactly the point it is now. So the next target we are watching now, which will tell us the direction of gold, is this particular support level. This is the last support level, which whereby if gold breaks this particular place, and then that's a clear sign that gold is going bearish, you get. So let's keep it here. Then here is our main support level. Here is our main resistance level. Let's use this place, these two places now. Here's our support level, here's our main resistance level, whereby if gold succeed in, if any candle close above this particular line that are marked here, then it's a clear sign that gold is continuing upwards. Then if it eventually break above here, gold have continued its bullish movement. That's just it. You get gold have continued its bullish movement. This is the final bus stop for the confirmation on this weekly time frame, this weekly chart. That's just it. So we don't need to talk much about here, but where will guide us men, which we normally do, where will guide us men, is the 4 hours time frame. So we are going to the 4 hours time frame now to see how the market looks like there. So here we are now in 4 hours time frame. Yeah, here we are in 4 hours time frame. If you can see, you will see my support and resistance level. Here is support, here is resistance level, which I marked on the weekly time frame. It's still maintaining the structure here, you get. Remember previous weeks I showed you that if gold remained under this line, which is our main resistance level, then if gold remained under this line, that is continuing bearish movement, which it did. Every candle that came, they came here, they couldn't break this line, gold reversed back and came bearish. Now here is it again. I didn't even look at this thing before I marked my support and resistance line on the weekly time frame, and it came here and gave me the same thing. So which means we are still in form. So coming here now, you can see that gold is all close to our support level, which we marked from the weekly time frame. But that's by the way. Let's mark the recent support and resistance level on this particular 4 hours time frame that will guide us. Then we will know what to do by next week, which is what we normally do when we come. Now here is our, okay, let's remove the former ones we marked. Here is our support level. We'll use this particular place as our support level, using here as our main resistance level, these two places now. But our first support level, whereby if gold breaks, okay, let's leave that one aside. Recently now, as you can see, gold is consolidating. we are having consolidation in between these two particular support and resistance level. This support and resistance level, now we are having consolidation right in the middle of it. So what we'll do now, guys, you just wait for a confirmation. If gold breaks, if any candle breaks above this particular place, this place that I marked now, is a sign that it's likely to continue upwards. But if it eventually breaks above this particular one, then it's a clear sign that gold is having a bullish correction. You get, it's having a bullish correction, it's going back upwards. But if any candle didn't come this way, maybe if gold remains here or just touch here and come back, once it crosses this particular line, watch for weak candles. If there are no weak candles or no slow in momentum, like what I mean by having a slow movement in momentum, when you start seeing stuffs like this, see them here, it starts slowing down, it doesn't move impulsively, it doesn't give serious candles moving up and down. For instance, as you can see, it was going down, got to this place, start slowing down, came here and started consolidating. Before you know it, it moved up again. So that's sign that the market is changing direction. This is a sign. This particular slow candles, they call it doji, this particular doji, it has signs that the market is likely to change another direction or continue the one it has already. So the moment you start seeing stuff like this, you come down and wait for a rejection candle. So that's what is happening here now. See, it's not, none is passing each other. What you will do now is just calm down. So if any candle breaks above this particular line, you watch for weak candles. If there are none, you wait it. The next target will be above this one. Once it breaks and close above this one, then it's a clear sign of we are having bullish correction. But if it doesn't and came back, maybe a candle close, let's use here now, close below this particular place, this our slightly first support level. Let's use slightly first, but if a candle close below this one, then it's a sign that it's coming back down. That's a rejection for this particular things happening here. It have rejected it, it's continuing its bearish movement. Then if it eventually come and break below this one, then it's a clear sign that the market is going bearish, is continuing its bearish movement. So guys, what I'll be advising you now, you just have to calm down, wait for a confirmation. If the market eventually breaks this one below here or either direction, if it breaks up or down any of them, it will definitely come for a retest. That's just it. It will come for pullback. So then you buy that pullback. Once it comes for a pullback, you buy it. Maybe this particular candle forming now is a pullback for this break of structure and or break of trend. You get, it could be a pullback for this particular movement that this candle is going now. So once it gets around here, you wait for that weak candle, then it will reverse. You buy, you sell that movement you are seeing or anything, then you sell and continue going down. But if it doesn't, then you, once it breaks here, you wait for a pullback. If it will definitely come for a pullback around this same region or this same place, or even deep pullback around there. So you wait for it, it will definitely come for a pullback, then you buy that pullback. So either way, but the main decision now is patience is the key. Just have patience, wait for the market to take a direction before you make your execution. So guys, if you found this analysis helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. You can also turn on the notification so that whenever I drop my analysis or whenever I drop my video, you get information or you get notified that I've dropped. You come and check what is happening there. So I urge you to drop your own bias in the comment section. Drop what you feel like. What do you see? Is gold reversing up or is gold reversing down? Is gold breaking upwards or is gold reversing back down? So what do you think? Will gold recover next week, or will sellers remain in control? So that's what we are trying to, just drop your best in the comment section. Let's interact, let's help each other and make this money together. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next market updates.